In this demo, we're going to look at DeepModel's Apex Prior Auth AI agent. What we're going to do is send a prior authorization request. In most cases, they come through fax or eFax. We're going to simulate that process through an email and send an email with a prior auth request to Apex and have this agent extract the data, standardize that data, and work towards recommending a decision and doing the required follow-ups, etc. This is built on DeepModel platform. And after showing you how the agent works, I'm going to jump into the platform and show you how you can configure this agent as well. So to start things off, I'm going to go to my email. I'm going to simulate the process a provider or health system will take to send a prior auth request. I'm going to send this PA request form as an attachment. And once this comes through, I'm just going to switch to the payer side, where the agent is going to operate. So this is something nurses or folks would be using to streamline their workflow. So you can access these agents through multiple channels. You can access the agent through a web UI. In this case, since agent is going to function more or less autonomously, you can use this UI to see the work agent is performing and how it's behaving, how it's interacting. You can also access these agents through the API or email as well, which you just saw by sending emails to the agent. All right, now we see that request has come through. And what you're seeing is that agent has gone ahead and extracted the data from the PDF form that was attached to the request, and has also done data validation to identify there is a missing piece of information here, and generated and dispatched a follow-up request to the provider requesting for that missing information. So if I go back to the provider's email account or the sender's email account, you're going to see Apex has sent this message back. That is at a high level how Apex Prior Auth agent functions to process prior auth requests. This could significantly reduce the time to process incoming requests and standardize the information. This could handle follow-ups automatically to collect any missing information. And this agent could also make recommendations on the decision on how this request should be processed, freeing up significant amount of nurse time spent on these types of tasks. Let's switch to our admin panel, see how you can configure this agent. So when we speak with healthcare customers, and especially any kind of a large-scale healthcare customer, they value a couple of things. One is the ability to configure. In any large-scale enterprise type of environment, you have many different systems and data sources that these need to connect with. So the ability to configure and adjust the functionality is very important. And the second is explainability of the actions taken by the agent. And third is data security and control of this environment. So DeepModel solves all these three concerns. This is how we solve the extensibility and configurability of the platform. So this is Apex Prior Auth agent through the admin panel. What we have is a concept that we call agent instructions. So this agent's behavior is dictated by these instruction sets that you can provide or adjust on the admin panel. And these agents use a framework of what we call skills to execute various tasks that they need to do as part of these workflows. So for example, here you have extract prior authorization from data from the provider input, right? So, and you can very easily create and configure these various skills. We're going to jump into the configuration section to show how that works. So when you go to skills, so this is the configuration of the prior auth form data extraction skill. The way you build these things are on top of a set of foundational capabilities. So if you build a brand new one, you would select from a foundational capability from this list, and then you would provide a prompt description that outlines how you want this skill to work. That is how you can very easily build these things out and customize and configure the full behavior of the platform. And similarly, you can map things to a data bucket and provide very granular configurations to get the agent to function the way that suits your environment. And you have dashboard with detailable metrics, and we also produce workflow-specific dashboards as well, and great deal of configurability when it comes to type detection, getting data feeds out of the system, and introducing glossaries of terms to make sure that agent understands your own language or industry-specific or company-specific language that you have. So net-net, the goal is to enable folks build and deploy agents that are highly configurable, highly customizable, and that provide, through the logs, provide explainability. And this system entirely could, if needed, could run inside their own VPC or on-prem to make sure you have full control of data and security of the platform as well. That is a quick demo of DeepModel's Apex Prior Auth agent and the core platform. Please let me know if there are questions. I can be reached at himakara@deepmodel.ai. Thank you.